Hi friends, welcome. I am Saiba from CSTO and I wish you all a very happy new year. And today I have one of our excellent students, Puneet, who started his journey in soap making with CSDO classes. It's been an year now before which Puneet enrolled for soap making course and he's able to deliver excellent soaps in market. So welcome Puneet and it's so good to see you here. मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ that how was your experience in soap making with CSDO classes?
I'll tell you when I came here for the first time.
जी,
I came here and did this course as a hobby.
okay,
I was not planning to join any business or start any business. But when I did this course,
Yes.
afterwards, I started enjoying this hobby of mine. So then I planned to get into this full time, and I was working with TCS,
Okay.
consultancy services,
okay,
as a software engineer. Then I left my job for this, and I started last year January. So it's been 1 year I am into this business, and it's passion. I don't feel like I'm working. That's the main problem.
wonderful. तो पुनीत आई थिंक ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप एक जॉब करते जॉब एक सिक्योरिटी देता है आपको यू नो एंड देन वो जॉब के होते हुए आपने जॉब को छोड़ दिया एंड देन यू जंप इनटू द सोप मेकिंग सो व्हाट इज सो मच fascinating in the soap वैसे I love this fragrance I know ये एक सैंपल है जो आप CSD के लिए लाए हो so what is that you know you got in this that TCS was not able to get.
See, I'll tell you, there was a you can say far-fetched vision,
Okay.
your night vision, and there is goal. You can say
Mhm.
milestone, right?
Yes.
So my far-fetched vision was that to do something of my own and helping people around me, giving them employment and taking care of those who are willing to work but they don't have opportunities to work. So I wanted to give them work. And second motivation was that I wanted to give people good and pure products.
Great.
If you go into the market, you will get XYZ brands of soaps.
Yes.
But the problem is you will not get a good and pure product. So I wanted to give a good and pure product from my side and employment generation. Because of this, when I started my journey, I went to government offices, MSME, KVIC, and we actually, you can say, tied up with KVIC. We got license from them.
Wonderful.
KVIC, there is a, you can say, one scheme, PMEGP, that is employment generation.
Oh.
So Funda is employment generation. That is also right.
Wonderful. So which means that when we are only into a job, we are just working. But when we are into ownership or when we become the employer, we actually have the wonderful opportunity of creating jobs, which is
That's
very
correct.
nice. And how was your experience of soap making with CSDO?
Soap making with CSJ was like when I first enrolled, ma'am taught us very well, step by step all the processes. And afterwards also after course when I started making this at home, then that time also she was available on call every time.
Well, I can see you that today also you have a couple of questions,
Yeah.
which definitely we have not
I
shown.
came here for my question answer round. Yes.
But still the practice is going on. So that's really nice. And Puneet, a lot of people want to do like you. They all read a lot of good books, that we can win and we have a lot of good books on business. So people wish to become an entrepreneur. बट कहीं ना कहीं एक वो डर होता है एक वो फियर होता है यार इतना पैसा कहाँ से आएगा अगर जॉब छोड़ दी तो घर का खर्चा कैसे चलेगा because you are a male also you are expected to earn right तब तो always other so what is the message not only for women but because CSU teaches males also and we are helping in empowerment तो मुझे आप ये बताओगे कि आप मेल्स को भी क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो कि अगर आपके अंदर कुछ करने का जुनून है so you must take this first step which is to at least know about that subject it can be any business candles chocolates soaps cosmetics skincare or detergent or toilet cleaner it can be anything but वो पहला step उन्हें क्या लेना चाहिए to start something or to reach somewhere.
See, as per my view of life, the risk-taking capability, everyone has a different capability. But the first point is fear comes then you won't have knowledge of that particular thing. First step is start accumulating knowledge. Start gathering knowledge. Do, if you are like fearful of something, कि ऐसा कैसे होगा या ये कैसे करेंगे या पैसे कैसे करेंगे, gather knowledge for that thing. There are banks, there are many funding companies, they'll give you money, but if you have a good vision. The point is, like few years back, मेरे को नहीं पता था कि साबुन बनता कैसे. Now I know, I have mastered it somewhere. तो अब मुझे डर नहीं लगता. अब मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि मैं बेचूंगा अपना. I can sell it as well. If you gather knowledge now, the fear will go. So first thing is gather knowledge of the subject you want to get into. And second point I would say is, देखो, being spiritual man, I read Gita and different scriptures I have read. तो गीता में एक चीज होती है कि अर्जुन जब तीर मारता है तो सिर्फ आंख को देखता है. तो सिर्फ आंख को देखो, अपने गुण को देखो और तीर मार दो. It will work.
Great, thank you so much. I think guys, this is a very good motivation also for all of you जो कि न्यू ईयर पे देख रहे हैं हमारे इस वीडियो को. So guys, if you also want to be successful like Puneet is today in his life, if you really wish to follow your passion and your inner voice, then I would definitely encourage you. Talk to CSDO classes, talk to our team. We all are there to help you, support you, to help you become visionary and to achieve something really beautiful and to make you successful in this 2021. Thank you so much, Puneet. All the very best to you. I wish your company Khadi Earth really grows in 2021. और अगर आज आपकी सेल 200% है, ये 2000% हो. My blessings and CSDO's team blessings are always with you. Thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe, like, and share to our channel. Thank you.